Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Cherilyn Salvo. I'm 31 years old. I'm Christian. I'm single mom. I have one daughter. She's 10 years old. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia since 2016 until November 8, 2024. They have four members and family, one father, three children, two girls and one boy, all adults. The ages 44, 36, 28. My main duties of house chores like cleaning, cooking, wash dishes, and clothes. The reason why I'm working in Hong Kong to earn high salary, it's because I am a breadwinner and my family, especially to education of my daughter and two sisters. I hope and pray to hire me as your helper. It's because I am hardworking, honest, patient. I promise I will finish my contract. God bless and thank you.